Excalibur Assassin Extreme Crossbow. The Excalibur Assassin Extreme Crossbow is the epitome of survival sophistication, a sleek and formidable tool that transcends the ordinary boundaries of archery. Picture this, a cutting-edge fusion of precision engineering and tactical prowess. The Excalibur Assassin Extreme is a symphony of power and finesse. Its sleek design is not just for show, it's a testament to the marriage of form and function, ensuring that when survival hangs in the balance, you're armed with a crossbow that's as stylish as it is deadly. This modern marvel of archery technology is not your grandfather's crossbow, it's a futuristic instrument of survival, a game changer in the world of tactical gear. Embrace the Excalibur Assassin Extreme Crossbow, and you're stepping into a realm where survival meets style with unparalleled grace. This isn't your average crossbow, it's a sleek guardian angel in the face of adversity. Crafted with the precision of a surgeon's scalpel and the strength of a mythical weapon, the Excalibur Assassin Extreme isn't just a piece of gear, it's a statement. Imagine yourself in the heart of a survival scenario, armed not just with a crossbow but with a conversation starter, an object of envy for your fellow survivors. The Assassin Extreme isn't just a tool, it's a fashion-forward accessory for the modern survivalist, ensuring you stand out in the wild with flair and, of course, the power to turn the tide in any tactical situation. Gerber Bushcraft Axe Hatchet. Behold the Gerber Bushcraft Axe Hatchet, a compact powerhouse in the world of outdoor tools that marries rugged durability with precision craftsmanship. This isn't your run-of-the-mill axe, it's a veritable companion for the intrepid adventurer, a trusty sidekick ready to tackle the wilderness with unyielding determination. Crafted with the finesse of a skilled artisan and the toughness of a wilderness warrior, the Gerber Bushcraft Axe Hatchet is the epitome of cutting-edge outdoor gear. In the heart of the untamed wild, the Gerber Bushcraft Axe Hatchet emerges as the ultimate survival sculptor. With its robust build and ergonomic design, this hatchet is more than a mere tool, it's a testament to the artistry of survival. Imagine yourself deep in the thicket, armed not just with an axe but with a precision instrument designed to sculpt your path through the great unknown. The Gerber Bushcraft Axe Hatchet isn't just an accessory, it's an extension of your survival instinct, a symbol of preparedness that stands tall amidst the wilderness, ready to hew through challenges and blaze a trail into the heart of adventure. VALTCAN Titanium Canteen with Mess Kit Water Bottle Set. Enter the realm of outdoor opulence with the VALTCAN Titanium Canteen with Mess Kit Water Bottle Set, a pinnacle of adventure luxury that redefines the standards of portable hydration. This isn't your average canteen, it's a masterpiece of titanium craftsmanship, a symphony of style and functionality. Imagine embarking on your wilderness journey with a water vessel that's not just a container, but a statement, a shining beacon of sophistication in the rugged landscape. The VALTCAN Titanium Canteen with Mess Kit Water Bottle Set isn't just a hydration solution, it's a feast for the senses. Crafted from the space-age material, titanium, this set is not only ultra-lightweight, but also corrosion-resistant, ensuring that your water stays pure and your mess kit remains untarnished amidst the rigors of the great outdoors. Picture yourself by the campfire, sipping from the titanium canteen, and dining with finesse using the accompanying mess kit, a culinary experience elevated by the sheer elegance of your gear. This water bottle set isn't just for quenching thirst, it's a testament to the fusion of style and substance, making your outdoor escapades not just an adventure, but a symposium of refined survival. Top Silent Hero Knives. Behold the Top Silent Hero Knives, a symphony of cutting-edge craftsmanship and rugged resilience that beckons to those seeking the epitome of blade mastery. These aren't your run-of-the-mill knives, they're silent guardians of the wild, meticulously crafted to navigate the challenges of the great outdoors with stealthy precision. Picture yourself wielding a silent hero, an extension of your survival prowess, as you embark on a journey where every cut echoes with the legacy of blade excellence. In the realm of wilderness blades, the Top Silent Hero Knives rise as titans, unyielding and ready for the demands of survival. Crafted with the artistry of seasoned bladesmiths, these knives aren't just tools, they're heirlooms of adventure, ready to carve a saga into the untamed canvas of nature. Whether you're facing the intricate tasks of camp life or the unexpected challenges of the wild, the Silent Hero Knives stand as silent sentinels, ready to cut through obstacles with a whisper and leave an indelible mark on your outdoor experience. Embrace the Top Silent Hero Knives, and you're not just wielding a blade, you're carrying a legacy, a testament to the fusion of form and function that makes every cut a silent celebration of survival mastery. Expedition Archery Viking Crossbow. Step into the world of archery supremacy with the Expedition Archery Viking Crossbow, an instrument of precision and power that catapults you into the future of marksmanship. This is not your ordinary crossbow. It's a Viking on a quest for accuracy and dominance in the realm of archery. Picture yourself as a modern-day warrior, armed with the technological marvel that is the Expedition Archery Viking Crossbow, ready to conquer the bullseye and etch your mark into the tapestry of archery history. The Viking crossbow is not merely a weapon. It's a fusion of innovation and tradition, a crossroads where cutting-edge technology meets the timeless artistry of archery. Crafted with the expertise of master boweyers, this crossbow isn't just a tool. It's a testament to the evolution of archery into the 21st century. As you draw back the string and unleash the fury of precision, the Viking crossbow propels you into a new era of archery conquest, where every shot is a voyage into unparalleled accuracy. Embrace the Expedition Archery Viking crossbow, and you're not just aiming at a target, you're embarking on a legendary journey through the realms of precision and power, leaving no arrow unshot and no bullseye untouched. REAPR 11005 MERIDIUS Sword. Behold the REAPR 11005 MERIDIUS Sword, a cutting-edge blend of ancient craftsmanship and modern ferocity that redefines the very essence of edged weaponry. This is not your average sword. It's a symphony of lethal elegance, forged with a nod to tradition yet designed for the demands of contemporary combat. Picture yourself wielding the MERIDIUS Sword, a silent and deadly dance partner in the arena of blades, ready to make a formidable statement in the art of edged warfare. The REAPR 11005 MERIDIUS Sword isn't just a blade. It's a testament to the evolution of edged weaponry into the 21st century. Crafted with precision and expertise, this sword is not a mere relic of the past. It's a cutting-edge fusion of form and function. As you unsheath the MERIDIUS, you're not just holding a weapon, you're wielding a piece of lethal artistry, a tool designed for those who seek perfection in every swing. Whether you're facing the rigors of survival or engaging in the intricacies of martial arts, the MERIDIUS Sword stands as a silent yet powerful ally, ready to cut through challenges with a deadly grace that leaves a lasting impression on the battlefield. Embrace the REAPR 11005 MERIDIUS Sword, and you're not just holding steel, you're wielding a masterpiece, a symbol of edged excellence that transcends time and tradition. Safety CM8M Full Face Respirator. Introducing the Safety CM8M Full Face Respirator, a fortress of protection for those navigating environments where every breath matters. This isn't your typical face mask. It's a complete facial shield, a high-tech defender against airborne hazards that envelops you in a cocoon of safety. Envision yourself in the Safety CM8M, a futuristic visage ready to conquer the invisible adversaries lurking in the air, providing not just peace of mind but a stylish armor of respiratory defense. The CM8M Full Face Respirator isn't just a mask. It's a sophisticated filtration system engineered for the challenges of the modern world. Crafted with precision and designed for comfort, this respirator is not merely protective gear, it's a commitment to breathable security. As you don the full face shield, you're not just covering your nose and mouth, you're enveloping your entire face in a shield of safety, prepared for any airborne encounter. Whether you're facing the uncertainties of a bustling urban environment or navigating the intricacies of hazardous workspaces, the Safety CM8M stands as a silent guardian, ensuring that every breath you take is a breath of confidence. Embrace the Safety CM8M Full Face Respirator, and you're not just wearing a mask, you're donning a high-tech shield, a symbol of respiratory resilience that stands as a beacon of safety in the face of unseen challenges. LIFESTRAW Peak Series Personal Water Filter. Enter the realm of hydration innovation with the LIFESTRAW Peak Series Personal Water Filter, a compact marvel that turns every water source into your personal oasis. This isn't your ordinary water filter, it's a pocket-sized lifeline, a high-tech straw that transforms murky water into a clear elixir of survival. Envision yourself with the LIFESTRAW Peak Series, a portable aqua magician ready to quench your thirst wherever your adventure takes you, making every sip a testament to the triumph of ingenuity. The LIFESTRAW Peak Series Personal Water Filter isn't just a filtration device, it's a miniaturized water purification powerhouse. Crafted with precision and designed for convenience, this filter is not a mere gadget, it's a commitment to clean hydration. As you take a sip through the LIFESTRAW, you're not just drinking water, you're indulging in a sip of innovation, a liquid reassurance that every drop is purified on the molecular level. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or navigating the concrete jungles, the LIFESTRAW stands as a silent companion, ensuring ensuring that safe hydration is always within reach. Embrace the LIFESTRAW Peak Series personal water filter, and you're not just using a straw, you're sipping from the pinnacle of water purification, a symbol of resilience that turns any water source into a wellspring of safety and refreshment. TAC-9ER Kevlar Line Tactical Gloves. Gear up with the TAC-9ER Kevlar Line Tactical Gloves, a formidable fusion of comfort and protection that redefine the handwear game. These aren't your run-of-the-mill gloves, they're the frontline defenders of your hands, blending advanced materials with tactical finesse. Envision yourself donning the TAC-9ER gloves, a second skin that shields your hands in a Kevlar embrace, turning every tactical maneuver into a confident handshake with safety. The TAC-9ER Kevlar Line Tactical Gloves aren't just hand coverings, they're a symphony of durability and dexterity. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these gloves aren't just accessories, they're a commitment to hand protection. As you slip your hands into the Kevlar Line Fortress, you're not just wearing gloves, you're gearing up with a shield that stands between your hands and the rigors of the tactical world. Whether you're handling rough terrain or navigating through the intricacies of gear manipulation, the TAC-9ER gloves stand as silent guardians, ensuring that your hands are armored in a blend of comfort and resilience. Embrace the TAC-9ER Kevlar Line Tactical Gloves, and you're not just wearing handwear, you're equipping your hands with a symbol of protection, a tactile testament to the seamless marriage of toughness and finesse in the realm of tactical gear. NEXTOOL Flagship Pro Multitool Foldable Utility Knife. Unleash the NEXTOOL Flagship Pro Multitool, a Swiss Army knife on steroids that transforms every challenge into an opportunity for ingenuity. This isn't your everyday multi-tool, it's a compact powerhouse, a foldable utility knife that moonlights as a toolbox in your pocket. Envision yourself with the NEXTOOL Flagship Pro, a versatile companion that elegantly unfolds into a symphony of tools, turning everyday tasks into a canvas for your creative problem solving. The NEXTOOL Flagship Pro Multitool isn't just a pocket gadget, it's a sophisticated arsenal of functionality. Crafted with precision engineering and ergonomic design, this multi-tool isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a commitment to versatility. As you unfold the NEXTOOL, you're not just revealing a knife, you're uncovering a toolkit that includes a myriad of functions, from pliers to screwdrivers, ready to tackle any challenge with finesse. Whether you're in the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, the NEXTOOL Flagship Pro stands as a silent companion, ensuring that you're armed with a versatile solution for any situation. Embrace the NEXTOOL Flagship Pro Multitool, and you're not just carrying a gadget, you're wielding a symbol of preparedness, a foldable arsenal that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary with a flick of the wrist. Survive Permanent Match Pack. Enter the world of fire-starting wizardry with the Survive Permanent Match Pack, a compact marvel that turns the age-old quest for flame into a pocket-sized adventure. This isn't your average matchbox, it's a survivalist's dream, a pack that houses an everlasting flame, ready to defy the elements. Picture yourself with the Survive Permanent Match, a trusty companion that turns every campfire attempt into a guaranteed success, making you the fire starter extraordinaire. The Survive Permanent Match Pack isn't just a set of matches, it's a beacon of reliability in the unpredictable world of survival. Crafted with precision and designed for the wilderness, this pack isn't just a fire-starting kit, it's a commitment to warmth and sustenance. As you strike the permanent match, you're not just creating a flame, you're kindling the spirit of resilience, a fire that defies wind and rain, ensuring that you're never left in the cold. Whether you're facing the chill of the night or braving the dampness of the forest, the Survive Permanent Match Pack stands as a silent ally, ensuring that your flame never falters. Embrace the Survive Permanent Match Pack, and you're not just lighting a match, you're igniting a symbol of unwavering determination, a tiny yet mighty source of light and heat in the palm of your hand. VORTEX Optics Crossfire Binoculars. Embark on a visual odyssey with the VORTEX Optics Crossfire HD 10x50 binoculars, a gateway to a world of stunning clarity and unrivaled magnification. These are not your ordinary binoculars, they're optical marvels, a pair that transforms distant scenes into immersive experiences. Envision yourself with the VORTEX Crossfire HD, a visual voyager equipped to bring the distant details into sharp focus, making every observation an exploration. The VORTEX Optics Crossfire HD 10x50 binoculars aren't just magnifying lenses, they're a symphony of precision and quality optics. Crafted with meticulous engineering and designed for durability, these binoculars aren't just optical instruments, they're a commitment to visual excellence. As you peer through the lenses, you're not just looking, you're immersing yourself in a world of intricate details, where every feather on a bird or leaf on a tree becomes a vivid spectacle. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or an avid spectator of the great outdoors, the VORTEX CROSSFIRE HD stands as a silent companion, ensuring that your vision transcends the ordinary. Embrace the VORTEX Optics CROSSFIRE HD 10x50 binoculars, and you're not just observing, you're gazing through a portal of clarity, a visual gateway that magnifies the beauty of the world with breathtaking precision. AMAZTIM Smartwatch. Step into the future of wearable technology with the AMAZTIM Smartwatch, an innovation that not only keeps you connected but does so with unprecedented longevity. This isn't your average smartwatch. It's a digital companion with a superpower, a remarkable 60-day extra long battery life that defies the norms of modern tech. Envision yourself with the AMAZTIM Smartwatch, a wrist-bound marvel that seamlessly blends style, functionality, and stamina, making every day a journey without the worry of charging. The AMAZTIM Smartwatch isn't just a timepiece, it's a testament to the evolution of smart wearables into a realm of endurance. Crafted with cutting-edge technology and designed for everyday adventurers, this smartwatch isn't just a gadget, it's a commitment to uninterrupted connectivity. As you navigate through notifications, track your fitness, or monitor your health, you're not just using a smartwatch, you're strapping on a digital sidekick that stays powered for an astonishing 60 days. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy professional, or someone always on the go, the AMAZTIM Smartwatch stands as a silent companion, ensuring that your wrist stays adorned with both style and stamina. Embrace the AMAZTIM Smartwatch, and you're not just wearing a watch, you're embracing a futuristic timepiece that keeps pace with your life, delivering smart functionality without the constant need for a recharge. As we bid adieu, remember to join the ranks of our fantastic community by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. It's your backstage pass to a front row seat for all our upcoming adventures. Your support fuels the epic journey of our channel, so buckle up, stay tuned, and get ready to dive into the next wave of excitement. Until next time, keep the popcorn popping, the thumbs tapping, and the laughter echoing. You're not just viewers, you're the VIPs of our content cosmos. Thanks for being a stellar part of our channel's universe. See you on the flip side of entertainment.